Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Mid-afternoon market update. PaySign drops after Q2 Results Textainer Group shares climb. Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID DD0BAA 8/25/2027 p.m. Toward the end of trading Tuesday, the Dow traded down 0.43% to 28,185.70, while the Nasdaq rose 0.35% to 11,419.42. The S&P also rose, gaining 0.12% to 3,435.35. The U.S. has the highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths in the world, reporting a total of 5,741,080 cases with around 177,280 deaths. Brazil confirmed a total of over 3,622,860 COVID-19 cases with 115,300 deaths, while India reported a total of at least 3,167,320 confirmed cases and 58,390 deaths. In total, there were at least 23,676,590 cases of COVID-19 worldwide with over 813,780 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Leading and lagging sectors. Communication services shares gained 0.8% on Tuesday. Meanwhile, top gainers in the sector included NBSP GoGo Incorporated NBSP GoGo 16.31%, up 12%, and NBSP Fang Holdings Limited NBSP SFUN 8.39%, up 6%. In trading on Tuesday, energy shares fell by 1.5%. Top headline: Hormel Foods Corp NBSP HRL 2.45%. NBSP reported better than expected earnings for its third quarter. Hormel Foods reported quarterly earnings of 37 cents per share, beating analysts' estimates of 34 cents per share. The company reported sales of $2.40 billion, also surpassing expectations of $2.37 billion. Equities trading up. Vive Medical, Inc. NBSP Vive 50.3%. NBSP shares shot up 75% to $0.9281 after the company announced positive primary efficacy data from its 3-arm, 5-month stress urinary incontinence feasibility study, which is comparing the company's cryogen-cooled monopolar radiofrequency treatment and a cryogen-only sham treatment to an inert sham treatment for mild to moderate SUI in women. Additionally, the company announced positive outcomes from an in vivo preclinical study that was conducted to validate its new inert sham tip for use in the upcoming pivotal Pursuit trial in the U.S. Shares of NBSP Sigma Labs, Inc. NBSP SGLB 20.88%. NBSP got a boost, shooting 32% to $3.29 after the company reported that it has been awarded a contract by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. NIO Limited NBSP NIO 17.5%. NBSP shares were also up, gaining 13% to $16.97 after UBS upgraded the stock from sell to neutral. Equities trading down. The Children's Place, Inc. NBSP PLCE 19.69%. NBSP shares tumbled 18% to $19 after the company reported wider than expected Q2 loss. Shares of NBSP Sonnet Biotherapeutics Holdings, Inc. NBSP SON 19.74%. NBSP were down 21% to $3.10. Sonnet Biotherapeutics shares climbed over 48% on Monday after the U.S. FDA issued an emergency use authorization for investigational convalescent plasma for the treatment of COVID-19 in hospitalized patients. Nanovibronics, Inc. NBSP NAOV 20.03%. NBSP was down, falling 20% to $0.6951 after the company reported a $2.5 million bought deal offering. Commodities. In commodity news, oil traded up 2% to $43.45, while gold traded down 0.7% to $1,925.10. Silver traded down 1.1% Tuesday to $26.32, while copper rose 0.3% to $2.9345. Eurozone European shares closed mostly lower today. The Eurozone STOXX 600 fell 0.30%, the Spanish IBEX index slipped 0.01%, while Italy's FTSE MIB index declined 0.41%. Meanwhile, the German DAX 30 slipped 0.04%, French CAC 40 rose 0.01% and UK shares fell 1.11%. Economics. The S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller Home Price Index increased 3.5% year-over-year in June, versus a revised 3.6% rise in the earlier month. The FHFA House Price Index rose 0.9% in June. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index dipped to 84.80 in August, versus a revised reading of 91.70 in the previous month. U.S. new home sales climbed 13.9% to an annual rate of 901,000 in July. The Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index rose to 18 in August versus a reading of 10 in the prior month. Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco President Mary Daly will speak at 3:25 p.m. ET. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.